Welcome to Little Coco Bee. Monday, Monday, rise and shine. Clap your hands and step in line. La la la, we start the week. Monday makes our smiles speak. Tuesday twinkles in the sky. Spin around and reach up high. Titty, come sing and play. Tuesday brings a happy day. Wednesday wiggles left and right. Tap your feet and hold on tight. Wah, 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 let's dance around. Wednesday is a joyful sound. Thursday whistles bright and clear. Music floating in our ear. Fifth, we sing along. Thursday is a melody strong. Friday's beat goes boom, boom, boom. Jump and shake around the room. Fa, 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 shout hip hooray. Friday brings the fun our way. Saturday sings sunny tunes like balloons and bright cartoons. Sa, 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 come laugh and play. Saturday is a magic day. Sunday hums so soft and sweet. Calm and gentle rhythmic beat. Sue, 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 we rest and sway. Sunday ends our lovely week today. Subscribe to the Little Coco Bee for more fun.